Hello dear students, let's continue chapter number 1 of history in which we are discussing about what, where, how and when. So dear children, did you notice the title of this book? Our Past. Past that is written in plural. Just to draw your attention to the fact that the past, it was different for different groups of people. For example, the lives of herders or farmers, it was different from those of kings and queens. Likewise, the lives of merchants were different from those of craftspersons, and so on. Also, as it true even today, people followed different practices and customs in different parts of the country. For example, today most people living in Andaman Island get their own food by fishing, hunting and collecting forest produce. By contrast, most people living in cities depend on others for supplies of food. So this difference that existed in the past as well. What do dates mean? Dear children, if someone asks for date, so this year 2000 means 2000 years after birth of Jesus. Birth of Jesus, that is supposed to be the 0 point of history. Before that time, all the dates are counted backward and are called BC or before Christ. The time after birth of Jesus, that is called AD or Anno Domini. So 2019 is AD 2019. CE. CE that is used instead of AD, which means Common Era. BCE, before Common Era, that is used instead of BC. You can see here in this illustration that in BC, years are counted backward. For example, 1500, 1500 and AD forward 500, 1000 and 1500. We have seen that inscriptions are inscribed on hard surfaces. Many of these were inscribed several hundreds of years ago. All inscriptions contain both scripts and language. Languages which were used as well as scripts, they have changed over time. So how do scholars understand what was inscribed? So for understanding the inscription, a process that is done which is known as decipherment. Rosetta Stone of Egypt has inscriptions on 3 different languages. This is an example of the Rosetta inscription. It is a town on the north coast of Egypt and the inscriptions are written in Greek and 2 forms of Egyptian. So dear student, this is all about this module. Have a nice day.